I'm Jeff Collins, President of Global Sales, and today I'd like to speak with you about what to expect when you order cabinetry from us. We design hundreds of new kitchens every year, and we've streamlined the process to make it simple for you to get the kitchen you've always wanted. To start, we'll want to learn a little about your project. We'll ask you a few questions like, what's your time frame for receiving your cabinets? Do you have a budget in mind? Is your style preference traditional, transitional, or modern? Have you seen any door styles or finishes that you like the look of? We'll also need to get some information about your space. A sketch with dimensions is great, and photos are always helpful. We will send you a copy of our kitchen measuring guide, which includes some helpful tips and a template to put your measurements on. We're also happy to help walk you through the measuring process. Some of our customers will already have architectural drawings, which work well too. With that information, we'll create a design for your new cabinets, including a floor plan, elevations, and three-dimensional perspective drawings, which will give you a great idea of what your final kitchen will look like. We'll also provide a detailed quotation for the kitchen you've chosen. No surprises here. We'll set up a call to go over your design and quotation and answer any questions that you might have. We can work with you over the phone or through email. Some of our customers also like to use Skype, and you are always welcome to visit us here at our showroom in the Tampa area. Our design team will continue to work with you to make sure you are happy with the final design. If it's not quite what you had in mind, we include 2 rounds of revisions at no additional cost. If at this point you've already put down a deposit for your new cabinetry, we will make more revisions at no additional charge. If you'd like to see samples, that's no problem. We're happy to send you the samples, and any sample fees you pay will be subtracted from the cost of your cabinetry when you place your final order. For most orders, a 50% deposit will get things started, and the balance is due prior to shipping. The final step in the process is ordering your new kitchen. Once you have approved your final design and quotation, we will take care of the entire ordering process. We work directly with the various manufacturers, and we handle the scheduling, freight consolidation for all your project materials, export paperwork, and filing. It's what we're good at, and that makes it very easy for you. We will follow up and track all the components of your order to keep you up to date on the shipping status. Don't forget, Global Sales can also provide all the other materials that you might need for a new kitchen, like lighting, flooring, countertops, appliances, and plumbing fixtures. If you need paint, tile for a backsplash, a new kitchen window, we can help you with all of that. Before I go, I'd like to introduce our design team to you. They are Sonia, Nancy, Angela, Laura, and Stephanie. Our designers have a wealth of knowledge, they love what they do, and they're great at it. Thanks for watching, and please do not hesitate to contact any of us if we can help you with your upcoming kitchen project.